Last time I kind of burnt the garment. And this time, no burn, babe. No burn. So there you go. Bikini done. How fucking cool is that? No burn. See a little bit of the glue marks on there, but it's on there solid. I'll do this too. Since we're hot off the press, let me do this flat one without the thing. Two. Boom, baby, boom. Make sure flat surfaces help.